Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get new Excel sheet easy method. Open Excel and press Shift plus F11 to insert a new sheet, or click the plus icon at the Sheet tab to add one manually. For duplicating, right-click a tab and choose Move or Copy, then pick a location. I will also show how to rename, color, and reorder sheets so your workbook stays tidy and easy to navigate. Keyboard shortcuts save time and reduce clicks when managing sheets. Try Shift plus F11 for an instant new sheet and Alt plus S to use the ribbon workflow. Use Control and arrow keys to jump between worksheets fast, which helps when copying or reorganizing content. I will guide you through these steps slowly so you can follow along and practice the shortcuts right in your own workbook for faster daily work. Keeping sheets organized makes work faster and reduces mistakes when you collaborate. Double-click a tab to rename it with a descriptive title, and use tab colors to separate sections like Data, Summary, and Charts. Drag tabs left or right to reorder them into a logical flow that matches your report or project. These small habits turn messy workbooks into clear, professional files you can navigate with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.